Affiliate marketing has changed. The old methods don't work anymore.
Today, I'll show you a brand new strategy for 2026.
If you've struggled with low commissions, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we break it down step by step. We'll cover niches, funnels, high-ticket offers, and AI tools. This is the exact system affiliates are using to scale fast. Forget outdated tactics. It's time to adapt. Let's dive into the new affiliate marketing strategy. By the end, you'll know how to earn more with fewer sales. Ready? Let's start with niche precision.
The first part of the new strategy is niche precision. Broad categories like fitness or finance are too crowded.
That's why we narrow down into micro niches. For example, instead of general fitness, focus on home workout gear for busy professionals. Or in finance, don't just say budgeting. Target budgeting apps designed specifically for students. Micro niches reduce competition and increase conversions, because you're attracting people already searching for solutions. That relevance makes your content more trustworthy. Think smaller, but more focused. That's how you build authority faster. Micro niches also improve SEO rankings, because fewer creators are targeting those keywords. It's easier to dominate search results, and easier to build a loyal subscriber base. Remember, precision beats generalization. Pick one micro niche and commit to it. This is step 1 of the new affiliate strategy. Now that you've chosen your niche, let's build the funnel. The second step is building content funnels. Shorts bring attention, but long-form builds trust. Think of it as a funnel. Traffic flows in, trust builds, conversions happen. 1-minute shorts grab curiosity and quick views. 10-minute explainers convert those viewers into buyers. Without a funnel, you're just throwing links into the void. Funnels guide your audience step by step, from awareness to interest, then decision and purchase. This is how you turn views into commissions. Consistency is key. Post shorts daily. Then follow up with long-form weekly. Your shorts act as ads for your longer content. Long-form builds authority and trust. Funnels also work across platforms. Each platform drives traffic into your system, but your long-form video or blog seals the deal. Always think in terms of funnels, not random posts. Funnels are the backbone of affiliate success. This is step 2 of the new strategy. Next, let's talk about high-ticket offers. Here's the game changer. High-ticket offers. Why promote a $20 product when one $500 sale pays more?
High-ticket programs include SaaS subscriptions. Premium online courses are another example.
Financial services like credit card referrals also pay big. With fewer sales, you can still hit big income goals. This is why affiliates are shifting away from low-ticket items. High-ticket offers maximize your effort. One sale can equal hundreds in commission. This is the fastest way to scale income. Focus on products with recurring commissions, like monthly SaaS subscriptions.
Recurring income means stability. High-ticket offers also attract serious buyers.
They're willing to invest in premium solutions. This makes your audience more valuable. High-ticket is the future of affiliate marketing. Don't waste time on low-ticket clutter.
Step 3 is all about premium offers. Now, let's move to AI-driven content.
The fourth step is automation with AI. Tools like Veo 3.1 generate videos faster than ever. AI can write scripts, design thumbnails, and optimize captions. This means you can scale content production. Produce 10 videos a week instead of 2. The more content you push, the faster your funnel grows. AI saves time and boosts consistency. Consistency is what algorithms reward. More content equals more reach. AI also helps with keyword research. It can analyze trends across niches. This gives you a competitive edge. Automation is no longer optional. It's the secret weapon of modern affiliates. AI tools reduce burnout. They let you focus on strategy, not busy work.
Step 4 is all about scaling with AI. This is how you outpace competitors.
AI is the future of affiliate marketing. Now let's look at real case studies.
Case Study 1. The fitness niche. Affiliates earn up to $200 per sale promoting smartwatches.
The funnel starts with short workout clips. Then, longer-form reviews build trust with the audience.
Result: steady commissions from health-conscious buyers. Case Study 2. The tech niche. SaaS subscriptions can pay $500 per sign-up. Shorts highlight quick software hacks. Long-form demos show full product value. Result: recurring monthly commissions from loyal users. Case Study 3. The finance niche. Credit card referrals pay $100 per sign-up. Shorts explain quick money hacks. Long-form guides build trust in financial products. Result: consistent commissions from motivated savers. These case studies prove the new strategy works. It's not just theory, it's practical results. Across niches, high-ticket offers dominate. Funnels drive traffic and conversions every time. Now let's build your action plan. Step 1. Pick a micro-niche. Step 2. Build a funnel with shorts and long-form.
Step 3. Promote high-ticket offers. Step 4. Automate with AI tools.
Step 5. Track analytics weekly. This is your roadmap to affiliate success. Follow these steps consistently. Results will come faster than you expect. Don't skip any step. Each one builds on the other. Niche precision gives focus. Funnels convert traffic into buyers. High-ticket offers maximize income. AI tools scale your production. Analytics keep you on track. This is the complete system. It's proven and practical. Now you have the blueprint.
Apply it to your affiliate journey. Let's wrap up with a recap.
To recap, niche precision, content funnels, high-ticket offers, and AI automation. This is the new affiliate marketing strategy for 2026.
If you want to stay ahead, start applying these steps today. Affiliate marketing is evolving. Don't get left behind.
This system helps you earn more with fewer sales. It's designed for quick growth and scalability. Focus on premium offers and automation. That's how modern affiliates succeed. Subscribe to Finance Frontier for smarter strategies. Join the community and start scaling today.
Remember, success comes from consistent action. Even small steps compound into big results.
Affiliate marketing rewards those who adapt. And this strategy is built for the future.
So take the leap and start today. Your journey begins with one decision. Choose growth, choose innovation, choose results. Affiliate marketing is your gateway to freedom. And this strategy's the key. Subscribe now and let's grow together.